Imagine a world where we could converse with plants, where the silent green companions around us could share their stories. Picture ourselves asking a forest for its secrets, unraveling the mysteries that have been growing for centuries. Or imagine a field of wheat telling us its needs, guiding us to cultivate it in the best possible way. This captivating idea, once relegated to the realm of fantasy, is now edging closer to reality thanks to groundbreaking scientific research. Scientists are uncovering the intricate ways plants communicate, revealing a hidden world of signals and responses that we are just beginning to understand. For centuries, we have observed plants thriving in their environments, seemingly aware of their surroundings, adapting and flourishing. They respond to light, touch, and even the presence of other plants, showcasing a form of awareness that is both fascinating and mysterious. Yet, we have largely remained deaf to their subtle language, dismissing their responsiveness as mere instinct, not recognizing the complexity of their interactions. What if this perceived passivity belies a deeper intelligence, a network of communication we are only beginning to comprehend? What if plants have been communicating all along and we just haven't been listening? What wonders might we unlock if we could decipher the whispers of the green world? The possibilities are as vast as the forests themselves, waiting for us to explore. Plants may not speak our language, but they are far from silent. They engage in a complex dialogue using a vocabulary of chemical signals, electrical impulses, and even sound. Through their roots, plants release chemical compounds into the soil, sending messages to their neighbors. These messages can warn of approaching threats like pests or drought. Plants can even distinguish their kin from strangers, tailoring their responses accordingly. Above ground, plants release volatile organic compounds into the air, communicating with each other and attracting pollinators. Some plants emit distress signals when attacked by insects, alerting nearby plants to bolster their defenses. These intricate communication networks reveal a hidden intelligence, a capacity for awareness and response that challenges our traditional understanding of the plant kingdom. Imagine the possibilities if we could tap into these plant conversations. Farmers could listen to their crops, gaining insights into their health, nutritional needs, and optimal growing conditions. This could lead to a revolution in agriculture, with increased yields, reduced reliance on pesticides, and minimal environmental impact. Instead of relying on visual cues or expensive testing, farmers could directly ask their plants about nutrient deficiencies or the presence of disease. Early detection and targeted interventions would become the norm, minimizing crop losses and maximizing efficiency. Furthermore, understanding plant communication could pave the way for developing natural pest control methods. By deciphering the distress signals emitted by plants under attack, we could develop targeted interventions that disrupt pest communication or attract beneficial insects. The implications extend far beyond agriculture. Imagine using plant communication to aid conservation efforts. By understanding the language of endangered plant species, we could gain crucial insights into their needs and vulnerabilities. We could identify the optimal conditions for their survival, mitigate threats, and even facilitate their reproduction. Imagine being able to ask an ancient redwood about the changing climate or a rare orchid about its pollination needs. By listening to the whispers of the forest, we could become better stewards of the natural world, protecting biodiversity and preserving ecosystems for future generations. Section 5. The Ethics of Eavesdropping. However, this newfound ability to communicate with plants raises profound ethical questions. Do we have the right to eavesdrop on their conversations, to decode their language for our benefit, or does this constitute an invasion of their privacy, a form of exploitation? Some argue that just as we respect the communication of animals, we should extend the same courtesy to plants. Others contend that plants, unlike animals, lack the capacity for suffering or self-awareness, making our interactions ethically permissible. These ethical dilemmas require careful consideration. As we delve deeper into the world of plant communication, we must proceed with caution and respect, ensuring that our actions serve not only our interest, but also the well-being of the plant kingdom. Section 6. Traditional knowledge, modern dialogue. The idea of communicating with plants is not entirely new. For millennia, indigenous cultures have held deep respect for the plant world, recognizing the interconnectedness of all living things. Traditional knowledge systems often emphasize listening to and learning from nature, viewing plants as teachers and healers. Modern science can learn from these traditional perspectives, acknowledging the value of indigenous knowledge and incorporating it into our research. By bridging the gap between scientific inquiry and traditional wisdom, we can gain a more holistic understanding of plant communication. This collaboration has the potential to unlock new solutions to global challenges, from food security to climate change, while honoring the deep connection between humans and the plant kingdom. Section 7, Beyond Words. Understanding plant intelligence. The ability to communicate with plants challenges our very definition of intelligence. It opens up a new realm of possibilities, where intelligence is not confined to human-like traits, but is seen as a broader spectrum of capabilities. We tend to equate intelligence with human-like cognition, with language and abstract thought. However, this narrow view limits our understanding of the natural world and the myriad ways life can adapt and thrive. Yet plants demonstrate an intelligence uniquely adapted to their environment, a form of distributed intelligence embedded within their network of roots and leaves. This decentralized form of intelligence allows plants to solve complex problems and optimize their growth and survival. They can sense and respond to their surroundings with remarkable precision, adapting to changes in light, temperature, and nutrient availability. This responsiveness is a testament to their sophisticated sensory systems. They can even learn from past experiences, adjusting their growth patterns based on previous encounters with stressors like drought or herbivory. This ability to learn and remember is a key aspect of their intelligence. This different form of intelligence, often overlooked or underestimated, deserves our attention and respect. By studying plant intelligence, we can uncover new insights into the resilience and adaptability of life. By expanding our definition of intelligence, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. This broader perspective can inspire us to protect and cherish the natural world in all its forms. Section 8. The Future of Flora, a Symphony of Voices. Imagine a future where we can engage in meaningful dialogue with the plant kingdom, a world where plants are not just silent companions but active participants in our daily lives. Instead of being passive recipients of their bounty, we could become active collaborators, working together to create a more sustainable and harmonious world. This collaboration could lead to innovative agricultural practices and a deeper understanding of our environment. This future holds immense promise. Imagine lush green landscapes where every plant thrives, contributing to a vibrant and healthy ecosystem. We could harness the power of plant communication to restore degraded ecosystems, develop new medicines, and unlock secrets that have been hidden in nature for centuries, and create a more just and equitable food system. This would ensure that everyone has access to nutritious food, grown sustainably and distributed fairly. We could learn from the wisdom of ancient trees which have stood the test of time and witnessed the evolution of our planet. The resilience of desert cacti, which thrive in the harshest conditions and teach us about survival and adaptation, and the intricate communication networks of fungal mycelia which connect and support the entire forest ecosystem. The future of flora is a future filled with the symphony of voices, a harmonious blend of diverse plant species thriving together, a chorus of whispers from the green world guiding us towards a more sustainable and interconnected future. This symphony of voices will lead us to a new era of coexistence and mutual respect with nature. Section 9. A World Transformed. The ability to talk to plants has the potential to transform our world, reshaping our relationship with nature and with ourselves. It invites us to listen with open hearts and minds, to recognize the intelligence and agency of the natural world. In a world grappling with climate change, biodiversity loss, and food insecurity, the ability to communicate with plants offers a glimmer of hope. It reminds us that we are not separate from nature, but part of an intricate web of life, interconnected in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. By embracing the whispers of the green world, we can unlock a future where humans and plants thrive together, creating a more sustainable, just, and beautiful world for generations to come.